So I've loaded this up with a Frankenswitch I've created that I'm calling MilkBone for right now. It is made up of the housing of a Gateron Milky Brown, the stem of a Halo True, and I don't have the actual body with me right now, and this is a dual stage 21 millimeter gold plated 62.5 gram spring. So it adds for poppiness. The stem of the Halo Clear is long pull, and it has a really nice glassy, almost metallic bottom out. It's fun, especially with this, that two-stage spring really makes it pop up and come up really nice and fast, and it has a much more distinctive bottom out, whereas the original bottom out with the brown stem is anemic and weak. The MilkBone has a nice poppy. Like I said, it's somewhere between metallic and glassy, and it's a very smooth and, in my opinion, enjoyable bottom out. I've gone ahead and loaded these up on a Bauer Lite, and I'm going to go ahead and leave you guys with the sound test of this Frankenswitch, the MilkBone. Let me know what you guys think of it.